It's Mo from AI Marketing Insiders here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT desktop app, get started with it, as well as some of the features. And using AI, we're actually going to have AI pay us a visit and help us go through the features, and then I will explain some of the other features that it may have not mentioned in the end. So first, save and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll be sharing videos around AI, around marketing, and just all the advancements of everything that's going on. So if you don't have the desktop app, you can go to AI Marketing Insiders, find this post here, just type in ChatGPT if it's not pinned. Right now the post is pinned. And so step number one is to download the app. Once you download the app, you'll get it. It looks like this. Now they've kept a really simple feel to it. It's very similar to the mobile app, and I think they really copied a lot of Apple's style, even with the announcement and everything, where it's just very simple, it's very clean, and that's not easy to do. Like it's more about just taking away stuff and keeping it really easy. So first, I'm just going to show you a couple things, and then I'm actually going to ask ChatGPT for its help to explain it. As you can see on here, there are three versions: the 3.5, the 4, and the 4.0. If you're using the first free version, once you run out of 3.5, once you run out of 4 and 4.0, it'll kick into 3.5 automatically, as well as you have the store for third-party apps, as well as different files you can download. Okay, so let me just pass it over to ChatGPT to give its input on what it thinks the new features are, and then I'll add a few more points at the end if it does not hit the points I've had. Hey, so ChatGPT now has a desktop app for Macs. Could you tell me some of the features of it?
Yes, the ChatGPT desktop app for Macs offers several features. It includes easy access to ChatGPT directly from your desktop without needing to open a browser, a user-friendly interface designed for smooth interactions, quick access to your chat history and settings, the ability to use keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation, notifications to keep you updated on new messages or important updates. Is there anything specific you want to know more about?
Yeah, can you tell me, what are 5 things that a brand new user would need to know using the desktop app?
Sure. Here are 5 key things a brand new user should know about using the ChatGPT desktop app. 1. Installation and setup. The app can be downloaded from the official OpenAI website. After installation, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account. 2. User interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the chat area, settings menu, and navigation options. The interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. 3. Chat history. Your conversations are saved, allowing you to refer back to previous chats. This feature helps in maintaining context over multiple sessions. 4. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn the keyboard shortcuts for quick actions like starting a new chat, accessing settings, or navigating through your chat history. 5. Notifications. Enable notifications to stay informed about updates, new messages, or other important information without having to constantly check the app. These tips should help new users get started with the ChatGPT desktop app effectively. Anything specific you'd like to dive deeper into?
Yeah, tell me about the Explore third-party apps and just the Explorer section.
The Explorer section in the ChatGPT desktop app is designed to help users discover and integrate third-party apps to extend the functionality of ChatGPT. Here are some key points about it. 1. Discover new apps. The Explorer section showcases a variety of third-party apps that can be integrated with ChatGPT. These apps can help with tasks such as productivity, creativity, and more. 2. App categories. Apps are organized into categories for easier browsing. You can find apps for different purposes, like writing assistance, coding help, educational tools, and business productivity. 3. Integration process. Once you find an app you want to use, integrating it with ChatGPT is usually straightforward. You may need to follow specific steps to connect your account or grant permissions. 4. Featured apps. The Explorer section highlights popular or recommended apps, making it easy for users to find useful tools quickly. 5. Updates and reviews. You can stay informed about new app updates, and read user reviews to understand how others are benefiting from specific integrations. This section enhances the versatility of ChatGPT by allowing you to customize your experience with additional tools and functionalities. Anything more specific you'd like to know?
Yeah, there's third-party apps, and then there's ChatGPT apps such as DALL. Can you tell me the difference between them and any tips around that?
Sure. The main difference between third-party apps and ChatGPT apps like DALL-E lies in their origin and integration within the ChatGPT ecosystem. Here's a breakdown. ChatGPT apps, e.g., DALL-E, native integration. These are developed by OpenAI and are deeply integrated within the ChatGPT environment. Seamless use. Since they are part of the OpenAI suite, they often offer a more seamless experience and tighter functionality with ChatGPT. Consistency. They are updated and maintained directly by OpenAI, ensuring consistency and reliability. Third-party apps, external developers. These are created by external developers or companies. Varied integration. The level of integration with ChatGPT can vary, as it depends on how the third-party developer designed the app. Diverse functionality. They offer a wide range of functionalities that might not be covered by OpenAI's native apps, catering to niche needs or specific tasks. Tips for using these apps. 1. Explore both. Use the Explorer section to find both types of apps. Start with ChatGPT apps for a smoother initial experience, then venture into third-party apps for more specialized tools. 2. Check permissions. For third-party apps, ensure you understand the permissions they request.
Okay,
This helps maintain security and privacy. 3. Read reviews. Look at user reviews and ratings to gauge the reliability and...
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. So one of the other features you can find with ChatGPT is it can actually stop midway through. So if you want to interrupt ChatGPT now, you just click onto it and you're able to interrupt ChatGPT as well. Because I find sometimes when you're asking a question, it may not be going down the right path. This will allow you to interrupt it to go down the right path. Next, a couple more things I'll mention is, so if you're looking for the Explorer, here's the Explorer. I was talking about going into native apps and ChatGPT apps, as well as a cool feature I like is the search feature. So if I want to say marketing, it'll pull up all my conversations with marketing that I've had, right? So I think that's really cool that you can actually now search your conversations, because I've gone through using it for something and later I don't remember which conversation it was in. Just I use it quite a bit, and I'm able to find that as well. So I think that's a really useful feature, especially if you're a heavy user, as well as the voice. So what I clicked right there was the voice to have that conversation and let it explain the advantages versus me. So you can actually have that conversation back and forth, and you can interrupt, as I mentioned. It also has the text to voice as well, which wasn't there before. And it mentioned this, but just the files. So we were talking about file uploads as well. So you're able to put it with notes and messages, etc. as well. So subscribe to the channel, save and like this video. If you haven't joined the AI Marketing Insiders community, join the AI Marketing Insiders community. There's a link to download in there as well. And thank you very much.